Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. This is Fokrul Islam. Now I would like to talk about newspaper. In Bangladesh, printed newspaper both Bangla and English. Bangladesh's most popular newspaper is Potomalo. I love this newspaper because this newspaper provide local and international news. Uh, that's why I love this newspaper. Newspaper history is when first time published newspaper. This newspaper published in Germany, 1605. This newspaper name now I cannot remember. Can't remember. That's why I'm sorry. And newspaper have some advantage like newspaper. When you read a newspaper like foreign newspaper, this time you can grow or increase your reading skill. Like foreign newspaper, I read English newspaper because it's help me reading, improve my reading skill and vocabulary, because I knowing new vocabulary. And also have some disadvantage in newspaper because sometime newspaper uh, publish some fake news. It's very bad for um, people. um, uh, Finally I talk about newspaper advantages or disadvantages.